Thank you for watching. I'm Yantulu. Over the long Easter weekend, a tourist and kite surfing instructor went missing. Thankfully, the two were found by Coast Guards. Kitesurfing instructor Fernando Dolce and tourist John Grady were brought back from sea to land on Saturday in the afternoon after being lost at sea for an estimated 30 hours. It was an emotional reunion between Grady and his girlfriend. The instructor and tourist went out on Friday afternoon near Harikurari. The two were rescued by an oil tanker. The two were spotted in the ocean on Saturday after spending Friday night and most of Saturday on a 10-foot inflatable boat. Aruba's Coast Guard, together with the U.S. Coast Guard, set out to find the instructor and tourist. Helicopters were also sent out for the rescue. They were found 60 miles off of Aruba.